Welcome to aminacademy.com. In business mathematics, now let us do about simple interest. What is simple interest? Suppose if you borrow or lend a money from some institution or some person, so we can get or we had to give some extra amount after some certain period, so that extra amount is called a simple interest. Now let us do some important terms and formulae. First, a principal. P. The money borrowed is called a principal. Means how much you money borrow or invest, that is called a principal amount of that principal amount. Next one, interest I. The additional money paid by the borrower to the money lender is called interest. Amount A. The total money paid by the borrower is called amount. Thus, amount equal principal plus interest. Rate. The interest paid on rupees 100 for 1 year is called rate of interest. The rate is denoted by R%. Simple interest, SI. If interest is calculated uniformly on the original principal throughout the loan period is called a simple interest. Now let us write some formulas regarding simple interest. Simple interest SI or I equal P into R into T upon 100, where P equal principal and R equal rate of interest and T equal time period. Probably in years. Now A equal P plus I, where A equal amount. Therefore, amount equal principal plus interest. Now let us do some problem regarding simple interest. Find the simple interest and amount on rupees 40,000 for 4.5 years at 7.5% per annum interest. Then first, interest I, simple interest I equal P into R into T upon 100, which is equal P is 40,000 and rate of interest is 7.5 into number of years is 4.5 over 100, then which is equal 40,000 into 7.5 is 7 into 2 is 14, 14 plus 1 is 15 over 2 into 4.5 is 9 over 2 over 100. Then 100 2 zeros cut. Now 400 into 15 into 9 over 4. Then 400 is cut as 100. Then 15 into 9 is 135. $135,000 means 13 rupees 13,500 is an interest. Therefore, amount received equal P plus I. P is 40,000 plus 13,500, which is equal 53,000 500 is total amount received. One more example. In what time will the interest on a certain sum of money at 8% per annum become half of itself? Interest is here half of principal P. Now, and rate percent equal 8%. What is time? Now here I equal P into R into T upon 100. Then we can write T equal I into 100 over P into R. Now we have I is half of P over 2 into 100 over P into rate of interest is 8%. Then P and P cut, so which is equal 100 over 16. 100 over 16 equal 6 quarter years, means 6 1/4 years. One more example. At what rate percent per annum will the simple interest as rupees 2000 for 2.5 years on rupees 10,000? Here principal P equal rupees 10,000 and I simple interest is 2000 and number of years T equal 2.5 years, which is equal 5/2 years. Now rate of interest. Now I equal P or T upon 100. Then rate of interest R equal by cross multiplying I into 100 over P into T. I is 2000 into 100 over principal P is 10,000 into T is 5.5. Then here 4 zeros cut, here 4 zeros cut. After that 20 over 5, this 2 go up, which is equal 40 over 5 is 8%.